Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Vinayak Dhananjay Sharma and I am here to teach you today about the basic structure of HTML. So first of all, what is HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and HTML is used for creating web pages which you can see is floating on the internet. So you can also say that HTML is the first language through which we are creating web pages. So let's see the basic structure of HTML. So first I will create a file. The first tag itself is HTML. So in HTML, the structure of HTML consists of opening tags and closing tags. So the first tag HTML, this is used to to show that the coding is done in HTML language only. Inside the HTML tag, we have head tag. So head tag consists of meta informations which are not displayed by the web pages, but it is used by the browsers and search engines. So inside the head tag, we consist it consists title tag. So in title tag, whatever you will be writing, it will be displayed on your web page. Like I will write here, hel- hello, buddy. So now the most important tag after head tag. So it body tag. So in body tag, you can mention anything like paragraphs, images, links. It is the main information which will be displayed on the web page. So now I will show you normal sentence as it is a structure. I will write only something so that it will be easy for you to understand. So you can say this is the simple structure of HTML. Let's run and see this if it's running or not. So you can see here, whatever we mentioned hello buddy on title, so it's displayed here, and we wrote in a body section this is a web page, so it is mentioned here. So in on next video I will explain you how we can display images and links on the web pages. Thank you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.